Hey there, good Saturday. I'm meteorologist Richard Scott. This is our video webcast update for the website. Hope you're having a great Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms earlier today starting to diminish out there. The sun set and we've lost that afternoon heating, so thunderstorms really quickly going to bed. Still some showers and thunderstorms over towards Gadsden and Anniston along Interstate 50 and Interstate 20, or Interstate 59 rather, and Interstate 20. And then some activity down towards the south of Montgomery, a couple of showers and thunderstorms. And there still could be one or two hit or miss thunderstorms tonight, but most of that activity has gone to bed. Now, showers and thunderstorms widespread across northern Alabama, northern Mississippi as well. Some of those did become severe this afternoon. We'll get that afternoon heating, and like clockwork, showers and thunderstorms quickly developed out there. And now the sun's set, the thunderstorms really starting to diminish, and we'll have the same thing really happen tomorrow. And temperatures much cooler this evening. That rain-cooled air mass we like to talk about this time of the year. 74 right now in Tuscaloosa. Down in Marengo County, Demopolis, they're still at 83 degrees at this hour. They didn't see any thunderstorms in that neck of the woods earlier today, but still many of us talking low to mid 70s, 71 in Coleman, 72 over in Gadsden. Now we'll bottom off around those lower 70s by 7 o'clock in the morning. Mostly sunny skies for our Sunday, and much like how we dealt with today, we'll start the day off with lots of sun. Clouds increase after the noontime hour. We'll be close to 92 degrees by noon and a couple of thunderstorms, but the best chance for rain tomorrow will be between noon and 4 p.m. We're talking temperatures topping out around 95, and if you do see a thunderstorm in your neighborhood, that will, just like today, cool you off quite a bit. The best chance for rain tomorrow will be again north of Highway 80 over the northern half of Alabama, northern Mississippi as well. There's still a stationary front across the northern Twin States there, and this front's really beginning to wash out and lose its impact across us. But still, tomorrow afternoon, we're expecting more thunderstorms to develop across North Alabama and North Mississippi as well. Active storm track really remains to our north anyway. The severe weather we're talking across the high plains, upper Mississippi River Valley, that activity is going to stay put for a while. But as this stationary front just kind of meanders around, we'll still keep that rain chance in the forecast, at least over the next couple of days. Now, we're also watching things towards the south. Tropical storm Alex making landfall this evening in the Yucatan Peninsula. Some of the tropical moisture from that feature is going to interact with a cold front that's due in here by Wednesday. And as that happens, that brings us a good chance for rain and thunderstorms by Tuesday and Wednesday. Some of those could be on the strong side during the afternoon hours. This isn't Tropical Storm Alex. It's just some tropical moisture being fed up into this cold front that will approach us by Wednesday. And it's rare we talk cold fronts this time of the year, but we'll bring some drier continental air in here by Thursday and Friday. We'll certainly enjoy that. And here's the tropics. Again, here's Tropical Storm Alex making landfall in the Yucatan Peninsula tonight, and this thing's quickly starting to weaken as it does interact with land and interact with the friction there of the land, and this thing will continue to weaken as it makes it track into the southern Gulf of Mexico or the Bay of Campeche there. And here's the latest from the National Hurricane Center. Winds around 60 sustained. Again, it is a tropical storm. Didn't quite make hurricane status today. It did come close, having winds of 65 at one point, but this thing's going to continue to weaken. But once it moves out of the Gulf of Mexico and the Bay of Campeche, it's really going to re-strengthen into possibly a Category 1 hurricane before making its next landfall along northern Mexico coast, or maybe even as far north as southern Texas there. So we'll keep an eye on things. This feature does track across the Gulf. Right now it looks like it will not impact our weather in terms of making a direct impact along the northern Gulf Coast. But again, we'll get some of that tropical moisture our way early next week. So tonight we're talking temperatures down in the 70s, 74 degrees for that overnight low. Stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. Don't expect a washout tonight. Tomorrow's high 95 degrees. A few afternoon thunderstorms possible. West wind around 4 to 8 miles per hour. Rain chance looking pretty good over the next few days, which is some good news. So to keep our temperatures rather cool, we'll start off rather mild. We see the thunderstorms develop during the afternoon hours, and that will cool temperatures off just a bit. Once moving to Thursday and Friday, some dry continental air takes over, and that's going to feel nice to us with less humid weather. High temperatures in the mid-90s, lows at night in the 70s.